Hello, in this video I will show you how you can connect any new number with the WhatsApp Cloud API. Make sure that number is not registered on any WhatsApp app, any WhatsApp business app or the WhatsApp Messenger app. It should be a new number so you can register to the WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I will show you how you can do that. Once you're logged into Tarjeeh portal, click connect account, then connect WhatsApp. You will be logged in through your Facebook account. Then get started. Select your Facebook business manager, then your website or Facebook profile and the country. Start with a new WhatsApp number. Next, then here create a WhatsApp business account, create a WhatsApp business profile. Write down your business name, WhatsApp business name, and down your WhatsApp display name, and select the category of your business. Add a new number, your country code, and the phone number you want to register with the WhatsApp Cloud API. Click next. Now you will receive a verification code in your SMS message. Just check the SMS and write down the verification code that you have received in the SMS. Now your account is connecting. Just please wait and watch. Click finish. Now your number is successfully connected to the WhatsApp Cloud API. After the success message, just click the register button. Here you need to put the default pin, that is 123456. Click register. Okay, it seems like your WhatsApp number it's not approved by the Meta. You can check the status by just click the manage button. It will show your number status in the Meta. Click the phone numbers right side, and now you can see the status is pending. Once the status is approved, you can click the register button in Tarjeeh API, put the pin 123456, click register button, and the number will be registered, and you can start using the WhatsApp Cloud API.